Career Cool, the educational Gurukul, a startup by German and American university alumni. Coaching classes from 9 to 12th and career counseling services.
Hi everyone and welcome to Career Full the Educational Gurukul. मेरा नाम है पूजा और मैं आपकी एग्जाम एक्सपर्ट हूँ. मैं काम कर रही हूँ मिस्टर सागर सर के साथ जिन्होंने एमटेक किया है जर्मनी से. And we together are going to analyze the exam that is IIT JAM Biotechnology. So these are the prices. We are having career counseling services जिसमें हम आपको पर्सनालिटी असेसमेंट देते हैं, एप्टीट्यूड असेसमेंट देते हैं एंड इंटरेस्ट असेसमेंट देते हैं और इन तीनों के बेसिस पे फिर हम बताते हैं कि कौन से करियर्स आपके लिए सही हैं और कौन से करियर्स में हो सकता है आपको थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम हो और पर्सनालिटी के बिहेवियर लेवल पे आपको कुछ चेंजेस करने. तो दीज आर द प्राइसेस. If you are taking 3 tests along with career session and mentorship, then price is rupees 1000. And if you are taking 3 tests along with career session, then price is rupees 750. And if you are decreasing number of tests you are taking along with career session, that is 2 tests, then price is rupees 500. And career sessions are also available for the students who are doing graduation and need guidance regarding their career. Then 350 is only price, and so on. And you can also book our career counseling sessions. One more thing, that our personality test is based on Carl Jung theory and we have almost conducted 10,000 tests so that we know that our tests is valid and reliable on the Indian population. So this is what we do, and now let us start the analysis of the exam, that is IIT JAM Biotechnology. So what is IIT JAM Biotechnology? This exam is known as Indian Institute of Technology Joint Admission Test for MSc. And the conducting body of IIT JAM Biotechnology is Indian Institute of Sciences known as IISc and 7 Indian Institute of Technology like IIT Bombay, IIT Delhi, IIT Kanpur, IIT Guwahati, IIT Kharagpur, IIT Kanpur, IIT Madras and IIT Roorkee. So these are IIT institutes for IIT JAM Biotechnology, and exam can be conducted any of these 7 IIT institutes. And the official website is given below. You can check it out. Now let's talk about exam pattern of IIT JAM Biotechnology. So basically this exam is completely based on 3 sections. The entire paper will be divided into 3 sections that are A, B and C, where all the questions are compulsory. Questions in each sections are of different types. If we talk about section A, then section A contains total number of 30 MCQ, that is multiple choice question and carrying 1 or 2 marks each. In section B, there are total 10 questions that are MSQ, multiple selective questions carrying 2 marks each. And the last section, which is section C, this is the most complicated section in the whole paper as it is completely numerical based section, contains 20 questions carrying 1 or 2 marks each. Okay, and if we talk about negative marking, then in section A, for all 1 mark question, 1 by 3 marks will be deducted for each wrong answer. And in section A, for all 2 marks question, 2 by 3 marks will be deducted for each wrong answer. Okay. And in section B, which is MSQ, there is no negative marking and there is no negative marking in section C as well. So this is it. And now we come to exam pattern of IIT JAM Biotechnology. So basically this exam for course level is PG level and mode of exam is online. Medium of paper is English only, no Hindi language, and test duration is provided for 3 hours, which is 180 minutes, and total questions are 60 carrying 100 marks. Number of cities is 61. Now let's come to difficulty level of IIT JAM Biotechnology. Basically there are total number of seats are 91. So it is bit difficult to grab a seat in IIT Biotechnology as it is offered by few colleges, and the few colleges are IIT Roorkee, IIT Bombay and IIT Indore. So it is tough competition to grab a seat in IIT JAM Biotechnology. And if we talk about time, then time is provided for 3 hours and you have to attempt the whole paper in that 3 hours. So it is very limited and it increases the level of toughness in IIT JAM Biotechnology. And there is strict negative marking, as I told you that section A contains negative marking 1 by 3 and 2 by 3. Now, question asked in IIT JAM Biotechnology and their overall difficulty level is moderate, but NTA portion is not moderate, it is high. Why? Because MCQ and MSQ, both the sections are bit easy as compared to NTA. As NTA is completely based on numerical questions, so the level of NTA is quite difficult as compared to MCQ and MSQ. Alright. Now let's talk about weightage of question asked in IIT JAM Biotechnology. So there are 4 subjects: biology, chemistry, mathematics, and physics. Biology contains 44% of weightage, chemistry contains 20% of weightage, whereas mathematics contains 18% of weightage and physics contains 18% of weightage as well. So the most important and scoring subject is biology in IIT JAM Biotechnology. You have to focus more in biology as it contains 44% of weightage. Now, the most important and needed thing to qualify any exam. जनरल बायोलॉजी, अगर हम जनरल बायोलॉजी की बात करें तो इन टैक्सोनॉमी हेरिडिटी the most of the question asked from taxonomy, heredity, and genetic variations, conservation, evolution techniques in modern biology. And in basic biotechnology, you have to study tissue culture, application of enzymes, antigen and antibody interaction. So these are the most important topics in general biology and basic biotechnology. You have to study all these topics for biology. Now, biochemistry and physiology in biotechnology. This is the major portion of biology. You have to read it, you have to study it, you have to study all these topics which I have mentioned here: carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, nucleic acid, enzymes, vitamins, hormones, metabolism, glycolysis, TCA cycle, oxidative phosphorylation, photosynthesis, nitrogen fixation, fertilization and osmoregulation, vertebrates, nervous system, endocrine system, vascular system, immune system, digestive system, and reproductive system. Now, important topics of molecular biology in biotechnology. So these are the important topics of molecular biology. You have to study DNA, RNA, replication, transcription, translation, proteins, lipids and membranes, operant model, gene transfer. So most of the question has been asked from these topics. So you have to study all these topics for molecular biology. Now I have put the example here so that you can understand in better way that what type of question has been asked in IIT JAM Biotechnology. So this is an example. You will be given 4 options and you have to choose one of them. Okay. Now let's talk about the syllabus for IIT JAM Biotechnology in chemistry. In chemistry, you have to read structure and bonding, resonance and acid-base chemistry, stereochemistry, substitution and elimination reactions, alkenes and alkynes. These are the topics of organic chemistry. You have to study all these topics because these are the most important topics of chemistry by organic chemistry. Now, important topics for IIT JAM Biotechnology and chemistry. These topics are also from organic chemistry. You have to study all these. You have to study alcohol, ethers, epoxides, sulfides, conjugated systems and pericyclic reactions, aromatic compounds, aldehydes and ketones, carboxylic acids and derivatives, alpha carbon chemistry, amines and spectroscopy. So these are the topics from organic chemistry. You have to study all these topics because they all contain a huge weightage in marks. Now let's talk about the syllabus of physics. So in physics, the mechanic portion, the portion of mechanics in physics is most important. So you have to study kinetic theory, thermodynamics, mathematical methods, simple oscillators, mechanics and general properties. This is super important. And oscillations, waves and optics, modern physics, electricity and magnetism, solid state physics, devices and electronics, bipolar junction transistor, that is BJT, and Boolean algebra. So you have to study all these topics because these all are important, but mechanics is super important. Okay, so this is the syllabus of physics you have to study for IIT JAM Biotechnology. Now let's come to mathematics. In mathematics, you have to study sets, relation and functions, mathematical induction, logarithms, complex numbers, linear and quadratic equation, sequence and series, trigonometry, Cartesian system of rectangular coordinates, straight line and family, circles, conic sections, permutation and combinations, binomial theorem, exponential and logarithmic series, mathematical logic, statistics, three-dimensional geometry, vectors, application of derivatives, definite and indefinite integrals. So this is the syllabus for mathematics. These are the important chapters or topics for IIT JAM Biotechnology Mathematics. Now come to preparation time. You have to give 2 hours to biology because this is the easy subject. Not as easy, but this is easy because this is the subject in which you have to read theory only. But in chemistry and physics and maths, in chemistry you have to solve the reaction, in physics you have to solve the derivations, and in mathematics there are a lot of formulas you have to remember. तो बेसिकली आपको करना क्या है कि आपको जो भी सब्जेक्ट इजी लगता है आप उसको ज्यादा टाइम दें, और जो सब्जेक्ट आपको डिफिकल्ट लगता है तो आप उसको थोड़ा सा ज्यादा टाइम देके आप अपने टाइम को मैनेज कर सकते हैं. बायोलॉजी अगर आपके लिए इजी है तो आप अपने अकॉर्डिंग उस टाइम को सेट कर लें. केमिस्ट्री अगर आपको लगता है कि बायोलॉजी से थोड़ी डिफिकल्ट है तो आप उसको 2 आवर्स दे दें, या फिजिक्स के लिए 3 आवर्स दें. अगर बहुत लोगों के लिए अलग अलग होता है, किसी को फिजिक्स डिफिकल्ट लगती है तो किसी को बायोलॉजी, तो आप अपने अकॉर्डिंग टाइम टेबल सेट कर सकते हैं. लेकिन मैं बोलूंगी कि बायोलॉजी के लिए 2 आवर्स, क्योंकि वो पूरा थ्योरेटिकल सब्जेक्ट है तो थ्योरेटिकल में आपको कवर करने में ज्यादा टाइम नहीं लगेगा. केमिस्ट्री में भी उतना ज्यादा नहीं है, 50% थ्योरी एंड 50% रिएक्शंस, तो वो भी कवर हो सकता है. फिजिक्स में डेरिवेशंस होते हैं प्लस थ्योरी, तो इसलिए 3 आवर्स, क्योंकि डेरिवेशंस को सॉल्व करने में टाइम लगता है. मैथमेटिक्स के लिए भी 3 आवर्स, क्योंकि पूरा न्यूमेरिकल बेस्ड सब्जेक्ट है ये, तो बहुत टाइम टेकिंग है ये, इसलिए इसके लिए 3 आवर्स. नेक्स्ट, कि आपको अच्छा स्टडी मटेरियल लेना है, पिक गुड स्टडी मटेरियल एंड गुड रेफरेंस बुक. It is very important to read good reference books. Okay, क्योंकि जो रेफरेंस बुक है इससे आपको ये पता चलता है कि एग्जाम कैसा आने वाला है, और आपका जो सिलेबस होता है वो पूरा का पूरा कवर हो जाता है. लाइक रेफरेंस बुक आर द बेस्ट for the examination because they give a good idea covering the complete syllabus and sample questions paper and solve paper as well. Okay, so I suggest you to read good reference book and solve previous year question paper and sample paper, because बहुत important होता है किसी भी एग्जाम के लिए प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर को सॉल्व करना, क्योंकि इससे हमें पता चलता है कि एग्जाम का जो लेवल है, पैटर्न है, वो कैसा होगा और कितना टाइम हमें किस सेक्शन में देना है और कैसे क्वेश्चंस को अटेम्प्ट करना है, और एक आपको क्लियर आइडिया मिल जाएगा प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर्स को सॉल्व करके. और ये भी पता चलेगा कि कौन से क्वेश्चंस बार बार रिपीट हुए हैं, रिपीटेड क्वेश्चन कौन से हैं, कौन से ऐसे नए क्वेश्चंस हैं जो आए हैं या पूछे जा सकते हैं, इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स कौन से हैं. तो ये आपके लिए एग्जाम काफी इजी बना सकता है. तो आपको क्या करना है कि 70% उस पे दीजिए जो टॉपिक्स बार बार पूछे जाते हैं, जहां से क्वेश्चंस बार बार आते हैं, और जो क्वेश्चंस बार बार आते हैं उन पे आप 70% अपना दीजिए, और बाकी बचा हुआ 30% जो है वो आपको सारे टॉपिक्स पे देना है. हालांकि अगर वो ना भी आए तभी आपको उसको गो थ्रू करना है, क्योंकि अगर आ जाए तो आप उसे अटेम्प्ट कर सकें. और आपको अपने शॉर्ट नोट्स खुद बनाने, ऐसे वीडियोस देखिए जो आपको नोट्स बनाने में हेल्प करें। ऑडियो विजुअल वीडियोस देखिए जो आपके नोट्स बनाने में हेल्प करें और आपके लिए वो हेल्पफुल हो एग्जाम क्रैक करने में।